Hello and good day, mates. Are you ready for this? I'm all set because I'm in the deepest, darkest suburbs of Philadelphia. You can't be too careful. Waiting for that to go by. And I'm enthusiastically Australian today because that's what you do if you make DIY videos in Australia. You get crazy excited about the most mundane bullshit, like raising and lowering a 40-foot ladder. Listen, I know nobody wants to raise and lower a 40-foot ladder by themselves, but sometimes life just hands you a box of lemons, a gallon of bananas if you will, and then you've got to deal with it. So I'm going to teach you how to do it safely without hurting yourself. Nobody wants to pick up a giant ladder like this by yourself. But if you are and you find yourself alone and you've got to get one of these things up or down, what you're going to need is some rope. Some good rope, like paracord or climbing rope, something like that. You're going to need a pair of gloves in case the rope slips. You don't want this stuff lighting your hands on fire. You'll need a giant ladder, of course, and you'll need a third-story window or some type of balcony from which to use as a pulling point. So as you can see, I've got a rope coming out of my third-story window right up here, coming down to my hand. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie a really good knot. One that's not going to give. If you don't know how to tie a good knot, you might want to look it up, because you could cause yourself a bit of harm if you don't know how to tie a good knot. Hello, what's this?
Maybe you can't tell a joke, but when your stuff gets broke, what do? You give Tommy a call, whether it's large or small. There's no project he can't see through. Let's laugh and learn from this handyman, with Kitty hold this by his side. Fixin' stuff in a serious way with a not so serious guy.
Well, that's it, folks. That's how you raise and lower a ladder with just one person. I'm gonna wrap up my rope, put my ladder away, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe if you like seeing my weird way of presenting do-it-yourself videos, huh? Good day.
Fixin' stuff in a serious way, but not so serious.